Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while since I've done anything vlog style, but the reason I'm in like full hair and makeup is because I just did a video reviewing the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. The primer specifically, wanted to see if I thought it was worth it and if it made a difference. So that video will either be going up before you see this one or next week. So anyway, today I wanted to do a little cleaning and organizing, decluttering of my closet, and instead of doing it like a formal video, I wanted to kind of do it vlog style, a little bit more casual. My room is a disaster, so maybe I'll find the motivation to also clean that as well, but we'll see. But for now, yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try to get these clothes either put away or into the laundry. And I just wanted to show you my new shoes that I got from JCPenney. They were like, I think like $23 or something, or $32 each. They're so comfortable and so cute. I got them in this color, and then I also got them in the black. And I needed something that is kind of dressy, but a smaller wedge, because I do have these other two, but these I've had for a while and they're super beat up. So I think it's time to let these go. So yeah, I'm gonna start sorting and organizing, and then I'll show you in a little while the progress that I'm making. Okay, so it's literally been like 2 minutes and I feel like I'm dragging a little bit. So I'm gonna run to Starbucks, and then when I get back, I'm really gonna get into it. All right, so I'm heading out the door now, and this is the new rug that just got delivered. I'm so excited for this because we've been without a couch and a rug and everything for a little while, and this is the couch that I just ordered, and only part of it came in, so I just need to Scotch guard it. And then I think the rest of the couch is going to be shipped out tonight, so I am gonna run out to Starbucks. Oh my God, it is so nice out. I can't even believe this. I thought it was a little premature to not be wearing a jacket, but it's gorgeous out. I've been dying for this weather, and it looks like my packages finally came in, so I guess we'll be putting together a couch tonight.
Hi, thank you for choosing Starbucks. This is Tracy. How can I help you?
Hi, can I have a medium caramel latte, please?
Okay, anything else?
No, that's all.
All right, you got it. Come on up.
All right, thank you. All right, so I got my latte. Hopefully I can get it together enough to finish cleaning out my closet. So here we go. This needs to be fixed. Pull this down so you can see what's going on in here. For the most part, I just keep like random things in here. This hat I never wear, and I think it has a rip in it, so I think I'm just gonna get rid of it. My wallet, these are like bag covers and stuff like that. I don't have many gloves and stuff, so this is like one of those shoe covers. So I think I'm good to go here, because I recently, when I moved, went through that stuff. This one, I have just like scarves and stuff like that. I think I'm going to put all the hats and the scarves together in the same bin. This stuff needs to go in my cart. And then I just keep a little lint roller. Let's see if I can get all this to fit. Probably put the bigger ones on the bottom. And it's not working the way I want it to work. That's great. Here we go. All right, that's good enough. Just put the hat. Guess I only have one hat. I'm not really a hat person, I guess, because my hair is always up. So if I wore it down more, I guess I would wear hats more. But all right, this is better. So then I'm gonna have all my hats and gloves in this one. And then I'll keep like wallets, little clutches, things like that, extra bags in this one. I love these little baskets. I got them at Target. They're so cute and they're so perfect. I love them because they're white and they blend, but then you can't see like everything in the basket, so it makes everything look super neat. So I really like that. I'm kind of torn about my bags. I have a couple that I don't really use, and I'm the kind of person that once I get a new bag, I'll wear it for like 6 months or a year, and very rarely will I go back to it unless it's like a staple bag, like the tote up here. And then this one was a diaper bag that I use, so I'll definitely keep that. These ones I do really like, but this one I never really wear. I should wear it more, but I just don't. It's a Rebecca Minkoff. I love it. It's so cool. And then I have this really bright, almost like red orange color. I think it's called like poppy red or something. Maybe I should start wearing it because it is really summery and bright for spring. So maybe I'll just start wearing that. I keep all my bags here, and if I outgrow this space, then I will definitely like sell one on Poshmark, or depending on what type of bag it is, I might sell on a different site. That's what I typically like to do, is just keep the bags in this section and don't get any more, and I can keep things well managed. All right, I'm gonna power through the rest of this. So I'm just gonna go through my pants. I don't think that there's gonna be much. I will say that these are so pretty, the color. I just don't ever find myself reaching for them, and they're like brand new. I got them at Express. So I think that I'm going to probably sell them. So I'm gonna go through the rest of the stuff on this side of the closet, and then at the end I will show you everything that I'm gonna get rid of, everything that I'll probably sell or give away. So let's finish up. Alright, I got quite a bit of jeans here. Some of these just don't really fit well anymore. These are the Free People. They're like the ripped. I really like this brand. I just find that these ones are a little too small and a little too short. So I am going to quickly go through all of these jeans and set aside anything that I'm going to be selling.
Easy come, easy go. Let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go.
So disappointed in these shoes. I love them. They're like a little tie-up ankle by Sam Eldman. But as you can see, all of the stringing, all the stringing is coming out. So I don't know if I can glue this or not, but I don't know how I'm gonna continue to wear them. But I guess we'll just see. But hopefully I don't have to get rid of them.
Easy come, easy go. No need to fight about it. Easy come, easy go. No stress, I'm good without it. Easy come, easy go. Let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go. You know my loving is no sweat, it's no sweat. It's no sweat, it's no sweat. It's no sweat, it's no sweat. It's no sweat, it's no sweat.
All right, so I'm done for now. I feel like I have a lot going on here. I definitely had some pajama pants. I don't need that many, and I'm not really liking the way they fit or the style anymore. I have, let's see, 5 pairs of jeans here, and I think pretty much all of these I'm gonna list to sell on Poshmark. And then I have a bunch of dresses, and the thing is I just don't have another event where I'm going to wear this dress to, and I'd rather sell it, make a couple dollars, and then when I have another event to go to, I want to get something new, but it's really, really pretty. It's by the brand BB Dakota, so I'm gonna sell it on Poshmark. And then I have a couple more dresses. I have a robe. I feel like I have 1,500 robes. I don't need that many robes. And I have a couple of shirts, some sweaters. I have some stuff that I really like the way it looks. I just don't like the way it looks on me. Like this shirt is so cute. It's from Old Navy. I just don't like the way it looks on me. It's not flattering. And then the same with these shirts. I'm not a fan of something that hangs on my shoulders. It bothers me, and I feel like I'm constantly having to pull it up. This was a bodysuit that I got from Forever 21, and it ran really, really small, and I really like it, but it just doesn't fit, so I never wore it. I'm gonna sell it. So I got a few big sweaters here. I have a random tote, a hat. This one is actually my daughter's, but she hates it, and it's brand new. And then I just have a bunch of shoes here. So everything that I'm not gonna list, I'm just gonna go ahead and donate it. Okay, so I'm gonna get started on putting stuff in bags and then everything else listing on Poshmark most likely. So that's gonna be it for today's vlog style video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.